Greetings to all. Myself Vikrant and I am a student of class 12th non-medical. I am a student of Sant Raghbir Singh Ames Senior Secondary School and today I am going to present a story related to the one of the most interesting topic of physics, that is electromagnetic induction. So the topic of my story is the forced induction. So let's start with the story. It was a stormy evening when Arav, a class 12 science student, sat his study table surrounded by open books and wires. His physics teacher, Mr. Mehta, had just taught him the concept of electromagnetic induction. That morning, he studied that how a changing magnetic field induced an EMF in a conductor. Arav was fascinated, especially by the concept of forced oscillation in the electric circuit, where an external source derives the current at a particular frequency. To study it better, he decided to build a small experiment. He took a coil connected to a resistance and capacitor and attached an AC source that could vary the frequency of the circuit. In physics, we call this circuit as LCR circuit, where L stands for inductor, C stands for capacitor and R stands for resistor. As he turned the knob slowly, he noticed that at a certain frequency the coil started to turn. The sound was faint but a low continuous tone vibrating through the air, and Arav was puzzled why a coil makes a sound. He quickly recalled the words of his physics teacher. He reminds that his physics teacher used to said in the class that when an external EMF derives a current at a frequency equal to its natural frequency, there is a phenomena occur that is called resonance. This is the heart of the forced induction. He realized what was happening. The alternating current through the coil was creating a change in magnetic field, and when the frequency matched the coil natural frequency, the amplitude oscillation shot up. Magnetic field lines were oscillating so strongly that the coil windings were vibrating in sine, producing the humming sound. Excited, Arav called his father. His father was an engineer. He came and witnessed his discovery. His father smiled and said, you have just seen how transformer and motor experience forced vibration too. Sometimes engineers even have to design around this to prevent machine from shaking apart. The next day, Arav goes to his school and Arav demonstrated this experiment to the whole class. Mr. Mehta, his physics teacher, watched that experiment with pride, and when the coil started to produce humming voice, all the students was very surprised by this concept, that they aren't just didn't learn the physics formula, but he also feel the phenomena behind the equations of the physics. And this way, this story teaches us that we can also see the beauty of the physics in our natural world as well. So thank you and have a nice day.